Good morning and welcome back to the channel. It's moving day today. We've had our 3 nights here at Scone Camping and Caravanning Club site. We now working his way back into England, so we're going to be stopping at Englethwaite Hall, which is Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Never been there, so it's first time, and it's a non-facility site. So we're just breaking his journey on the way home, so we'll be stopping there for a couple of nights and then following journey back home to arrive back home on the Wednesday. So if you want to join us as we arrive at Englethwaite Hall, there's probably a lot of people who have arrived at Englethwaite Hall, but we've never done it, so we thought we'd give it a go. And it's not very often we've stopped on a non-facility site, so we're looking forward to it actually. So we'll see you either on the way or when we get to Englethwaite Hall. Bye for now.
At the roundabout, take the first exit to B6263.
Winden.
Turn right onto the road. In 2.5 miles, arrive at Englethwaite Hall on the right. In half a mile, arrive at Englethwaite Hall on the right.
Englethwaite.
Arriving at Englethwaite Hall on the right.
Is there going to be any sun on this one? It's a bit close, that bloody tree.
Isn't it just? Alright, let's go in and pay.
Right, we've arrived at Englethwaite Hall, booked in, checked in, and we're on a service pitch. So I shall, we're all set up, so I'll show you where we are. Right, so here we are, all set up at Englethwaite Hall. We're on pitch 60, which has got some sunshine. We were lucky actually. There were two service pitches left, one with its shade and this one was free. Somebody had just taken the 23 one. So we got the sunshine. Making the most of it. So there we are, I've got me floating me aqua roll, my hose, and we've got a spare aqua roll and waste master under thing because I don't need it. But I'm using my claps pipes, which are running flat on floor, so that's alright. And you've got your bollard there with the fresh water and electric, and your drain for your grey waste. So it's a non-facility site, so it's got no toilets or showers, so you've got to be self-contained to stop, really. But nice little site. It's a bit tight in places on roads though. There's a lot of overgrown trees. And rows are just about wide enough. So it's a big one-way system round site anyway. As you can see, they are a bit narrow and overhanging trees in places. Certainly get a few shady pitches anyway. So this is your information note. Loads of information around the area. Says you are new enough in the Lake District. History on Englethwaite Hall. Looked a very nice hall actually. So you've got plenty of information of places to visit. So we've got bin compound, haven't we?
Yeah.
Go down here, yeah. So we'll start from the drive up, shall we? So that's your drive up from the main road, and you come up to check in at reception and pay your dues. There's a arrivals bay. Just stop there and go and see it at reception. So this is your reception, isn't it?
Mm.
So you've got a nice open area here actually.
Yes, it's nice.
Yeah.
Get a bit more sun.
Yeah. Remember when all the service pitches were up there, weren't it?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
I think. Around that way.
Yes,
Everybody's enjoying the sunshine.
down in the daylight.
Midges.
Sitting on the moons, aren't they?
No.
Oh, white awnings.
Yeah.
Blues and non-awnings.
Blues and non-awnings.
Still places then.
Yeah. Well, a few places. Nice and sunny in that middle bit though, isn't it?
It is. I bet they've
Yeah.
been before, so
Yeah. So there are two service pitches, aren't they? That was the alternative one we could have had, but
it would have been under a
yeah,
tree.
you've been under a tree. Plenty of water points and wastewater points dotted around, didn't there?
Might did need to be, wouldn't they, on a
Yeah.
non-facility. That's
Yeah.
the only thing we need to get right there.
Yeah. So you got a motorhome service point here. There's some gates over there. I wonder if this is where the hall was then. I think it leads down to where we're pitched. Take it that must have been steps up to hall or something. Yeah, we're down to where we are, aren't we, on pitch?
So this was an entrance to somewhere,
Yeah,
wasn't it?
would have been.
That's that one.
So would your hall been up here then? Don't know. So here we are. Full circuit round. There's no facility to block anyway, so. So there's our pitch. It's gone in shade now. Yeah. Karen's discovered something else. More steps. Another dog walk. If it goes around edge at sight, dog walk. I know I can feel midges biting. Yeah, some more.
I don't know, it's hard to guess, isn't it, where it was situated?
Yeah.
I think where we are.
What? The hole would
Yeah.
have been here.
I'm guessing,
Mm-hmm.
but I think so.
Yes, it looks like you've got a dog exercise field here as well. Dogs free to roam off lead. The dogs are free to roam in that area there without leads on. Woodland walk goes down to the road by the looks of it there. So we go back up to where we're pitched. So in our area we've got Elson and fresh water and grey waste disposal. And this is the bottom end of the site. Good old tree, that one. Those are the pitches at the bottom of the site near the entrance. Right, I did put the alarm on. Karen's just gone in caravan. Like I say, that's, I don't know if it's once, I think there's only one central bin collection area now. I didn't see one on walk round, or I don't think I was looking, but that's the nearest one to us. And it's on the way out, so it probably is the only bin compound. There is supposed to be a Fairy Glen walk, I think it's through here. On a dog walk, let's have a little walk, see what we can find. I have filmed this on a couple of different days. I must admit it's a nice little dog walk if you've got dogs. So this is your Fairy Glen. Little fairy lights out everywhere. Very nice. Got a barky dog. Lovely. Very nice when it's lit up at night actually. It's very well done. Very sleepy here. There's a little archway here. Very nice. Oh, it goes round here as well. that's a lovely little walk, I must admit. Tree stump made into a house. Well, that's lovely, I must admit. Proper little fairy glen. Right, so that's it. We're out of the fairy glen. Dog walk carries straight on up there. So it's quite a good dog walk around the perimeter of the... I'm not doing the full dog walk, but as far as I can see it goes around quite a bit of the perimeter of the campsite anyway. Right, so I think it fetches you round to what we saw when we walked down here yesterday to the dog field. Yeah, it is. So that's your dog field there. Let your dog roam free, off lead. And we can walk up this way to where we're pitched. So here we are. Getting a bit of sunshine again now. Managed to get a little chink of sun through the trees after his walk round. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that little look around Englethwaite Hall, Caravan and Motorhome Club site. It's a nice site, there's lots of trees though, lots of trees, and some quite narrow, well, narrowish roads around the site, but it's a nice site, I must admit. We would come back here actually if we're in the area. That's going to be the end of our Scotland trip now. We've just got one full day here. I'm not sure what we're going to do tomorrow, but we're on its way home the day after. So that's the end of it. Nearly just 2 weeks and 2 days gone like that. So if you want to catch up with the videos from this trip, don't forget to click that little subscribe button and that notification bell, because it'll tell you when I've uploaded them videos and you can check out what we've been up to. So until the next video, and I don't know where from or what we're going to do, but we'll see you in his next video. Bye for now.